Easy party food ideas that won't break the bank. You don't have to tap into your savings to throw a great party. Try our tasty recommendations for easy and cheap party recipes. Crostini is the perfect appetizer to start out a casual party or get-together. Plus, you can get creative by using as many flavor combinations or assorted toppings that you like. Rotisserie chicken trick. Need to serve your guests protein-packed sandwiches, but don't have the time or skill set to cook something up from scratch? Pick up a rotisserie chicken from the supermarket, then pull it apart and serve it as barbecued chicken sandwiches or sliders. Mini turkey meatballs a try. Free and sun-dried tomato mushroom caps. It may look fancy, but this 5-ingredient appetizer is easy to whip up right before guests arrive. Eggplant chips with cilantro pesto. Chips and dip is always a party favorite, but for a variation on the classic standby, give eggplant chips a try. The beautiful color and sweet taste pair perfectly with fresh cilantro pesto. Cherry tomato stuffed with chicken apple salad. Tasty and packed with protein, these simple tomato bites are a great way to fill up guests on the cheap. Homemade buttermilk biscuits with honey ham. Go store-bought or made from scratch. Either way, this yummy biscuit plus ham combination is bound to be a hit.